time's running out. What you gonna be when you grow up? Even if you are grown, where you at now? Cause you know, time is running out. Me, I gotta figure out, yes, time is running out. What am I gonna be? Am I gonna have a family? Am I going back to Cali? Or am I gonna stay here in AZ? I'm just doing things that make me happy. Every time you look in the mirror, what do you think about yourself? Do you like the way you look? Do you like your career that you're having now? Or are you just gonna go and sit down? Think about your lifestyle, think about everything for a while. Are you sure you really want this? Don't even be ashamed. Yeah, my name is Chris, I'm just trying to do what I do best. Yeah, I know I'm a busboy, working at a little diner on Route 66. Yeah, got a couple fine chick, gonna be working there now. Here I am, always looking in the mirror before I go. Is this the person I want to be? Is this the person that I'm gonna be? I don't even know what to even think. All I know is time's running out. Looking at the stars, man, trying to figure out. I can't even count all of them, yeah, no. Gotta go to a couple countries, that's for sure. I know everything through my mind is out of control. Everything is falling apart, but that's just the time just to have a new start. Don't be ashamed what your heart's gonna say. Say it through your brain, think before you talk. Everything, man, just gonna be a walk through the park. I know every day you say you're gonna be in the dark. Only like your soul, only like your chest. I don't even care, do what you gotta do best. Guess you can say I'm gonna be your inspiration. If you ever need to talk, just hit me up on Facebook. I don't even care, not even Twitter, cause I don't even care about that. Ain't got time, that's why I'm here trying to make a rhyme, but the rhyme do the crime. No, never crime. Every time you're saying once upon a time, tell your kids, telling a little story when you were that young. I know everything seems kind of crazy, how old you gonna get? I remember I was like 5 years old. I was in a hospital home all alone, having my mom over by my side. Then my dad came back, I don't even care. Looked like he was spun now on some crack, that's gonna be a fact. I know I got proof, I remember everything. I was in a bubble, then he walked out like he didn't care. Yeah, he got me a teddy bear, but then I got out, tried to go and check my mom because she was chasing him. Now where am I at? Gonna be better than Eminem, I think not. Cause one day I will make it to the top. If you're ever gonna stop, don't even stop. What you gonna be in 10 years? Every time, yeah, you're gonna shed tears, but that makes you stronger. So you're never gonna have no fear, cause time really gonna be running out. Are you sure this is what you wanna be about? What you gonna tell your kids your story? Or the crazy times you had? I know it's sad, but they're gonna be going through the same things. But time's running out. Just stand up for yourself, stand up for everything you got.